Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to attach deck ledger to house full guide. Mark the ledger location on the rim joist, verify structural wall details, and remove siding as needed. Always confirm the ledger is anchored to a solid structural member and not just sheathing. Use a level and measure twice to avoid rework. I will walk you through flashing, fastener choices, and common errors to prevent rot and separation. Prepare the area by removing minimal siding and cleaning the rim joist surface for a tight fit. Fit corrosion-resistant flashing behind siding and over the top of the ledger location to shed water. Secure flashing so it channels moisture away from the wall and ledger connection. Proper flashing installation is essential to protect framing and finish materials from long-term water damage and to keep your deck safe and durable. Select the right fasteners like lag screws or through bolts rated for structural deck ledgers and local code requirements. Drill pilot holes, then insert fasteners into the rim joist at specified spacing and stagger rows for load distribution. Tighten to manufacturer torque and use washers to prevent pull-through. Corrosion-resistant hardware extends life and keeps the connection strong. I will explain spacing, embedment depth, and checking for tight fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.